Hey guys, today I will show you how to create overlapping diamonds using double half-hitch knots. I've added 3 square knots into the design at the top and bottom. Feel free to add these into your design or leave them out if you are just interested in creating the overlapping diamonds. Start by creating a square knot with the 4 middle strands. Create 2 more square knots underneath using the 2 strands from the previous square knot and 2 new strands on both sides of your work. Using the 2 middle strands, tie a double half-hitch knot. Using the inside right strand as your filler cord, tie 3 diagonal double half-hitch knots working down and to the right. Using the same filler cord but working to the left, tie an additional double half-hitch knot. Moving back to the middle of your work, using the inside left strand as your filler cord, tie 3 diagonal double half-hitch knots working down and to the left. Using the same filler cord but working to the right, tie an additional double half-hitch knot. Move back to the middle of your work and tie a double half-hitch knot with the 2 middle cords. With the right filler cord, tie 4 diagonal double half-hitch knots working down and to the right. You are now making the top half of your second diamond. Move back to the middle of your work and with the left filler cord, tie 4 diagonal double half-hitch knots working down and to the left. We will now tie the bottom section of the first diamond, using the inside left cord as your working cord and the cord to the left of that cord as your filler cord, tie 1 double half-hitch knot. Repeat that process on the right side of your work. Tie 1 more double half-hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to close the diamond. We will now finish off the second diamond. Working on the left, tie 4 double half-hitch knots. Repeat that process on the right side of your work. Tie 1 more double half-hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to close the diamond. Tie 3 more square knots to finish off your pattern, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then 1 in the middle. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.